Let's have a quick look at the ROVE 4K dash cam.
Recording started.
This thing is super easy to set up and mount. You can use a USB-C cord to power it, or you can purchase their car kit where you can have this connected to your battery and keep it running through the night without killing your battery. That way, if your car is parked and something happens to it, this thing will be recording that. It does have a nice screen on the back where you can preview your image. It has GPS, so it gets all of your information, speed, and location. It's really easy to set up, and I also like that there is a slot for an SD card, so you can access those video files really quickly if you need to, or you can connect it to your phone and use it with the app. And then through the app, you can even change some of the settings, including the impact level for recording, meaning if something like bumps into your car, it's actually doing some pre-recording, and it will save that pre-recording and then capture more of the real time. But you can also set the level of intensity, so if somebody slams your door, it's not gonna record that. But if someone runs into you, it will record that. There's a TV output on there too, so you can make this go to another screen on your car if you wanna be able to preview it from there. But mainly people wanna know, how good does it look? And just have a look at this. This looks great. But I really like this thing a lot. Even on road trips, it's kind of cool to record certain parts of your road trip. And this is one of those products that you don't know that you need it until it's too late. So if you're looking for a dash cam to capture those things, yeah, this is a great option for you.